guys, so welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be trying out the turmeric face mask for 5 days. Yes, that's right, I'm familiar with this face mask because I've kind of used it in the past and I've also made a video on this on my channel. But in today's video I will be doing this face mask for a continuous 5 days. So I've seen here on YouTube where a lot of girls did this face mask for a period of a few days. So I wanted to do this, and basically they've seen tremendous results in their skin, so I was really tempted to try this out. So my skin problems are mainly, I've got like a lot of hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I do have a lot of like texture on my skin, got these bumpy little spots kind of stuff on my cheek, as you can see here. Maybe let me focus, let me dim my light. So as you can see, I've got like a lot of texture on my skin, and I've got like a few dark spots on my cheeks and some on my forehead as well, and I've got some dark circles as well. So yeah, that's kind of it. So I just wanted to try this and see, like, I know this mask is effective, but I've never kind of used it where I use it for like straight 5 days. So that's why today I wanted to try this out and see what it does. It's not healthy to do the same mask like every single day, because you're not letting your skin breathe, I guess. So yeah, so this is my skin and we'll see if it makes any difference. I think my skin has just been feeling very dull, can feel a lot of dry patches. So yeah, I need this mask right now. But yeah, I thought why not film it for you guys, so if you guys have similar problems to mine, then this can be useful to you. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the ingredients that you're going to need are very simple and you can easily find them in your kitchen. So all you need is some turmeric or turmeric. Sorry, I opened the packet wrong way around, but you get the point. Yeah. You also need some milk, some honey, and some gram flour, also known as chickpea flour. And you're also going to need a brush that you can use to apply the mask onto your face. Use any old brush that you don't need. Add a little bit of turmeric. I think that should be it. Some honey, and finally some milk. That's the mask ready. So now I'm just going to apply this. My face is washed, clean, is ready for the application. Also guys, always make sure to patch test first in case it doesn't suit your skin. So that's it guys. I'm just gonna let it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes or until it's completely dried. So I'm just gonna place a screen after this with all the benefits of these ingredients, so you guys can kind of get an idea as to what these ingredients do to your skin. So guys, that is completely dried. I'm just gonna quickly go and wash this off and I'll be right back. As you can see, it's so tight and hard. So guys, I just washed my face, and can you guys tell a difference? Well, the only difference I can mainly tell is the fact that my skin feels so soft. The other like bumps and stuff is still there, I mean obviously, but it kind of looks as if it's just kind of brightened up a little bit. Other than that, I think I can't say much today, and yeah, we'll try this again tomorrow and for the next 4 days, and we'll see. So that is it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So guys, today is day 2 and I'm just about to apply the mask onto my face. So guys, that's done, and I've kind of like gone to my neck today as well, and now I'm just gonna let this dry and I'll update you guys in a bit. So yeah. So guys, I just washed my face off and this is the after result. I will put up a day 1 and a day 2 results picture up on the screen so you guys can see the difference. I can't really tell the big difference today, except the fact that the skin just looks a tiny bit more cleaned up, maybe slightly yellow tinted because of the turmeric in the mask. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi, it's day 3 today and I just got the mask on. I'm just gonna let it dry and I'll tune back in. So I just washed my face, so I don't know if you guys can see, but the cheeks look as if they've been like thoroughly cleaned. I did have a lot of like dark spots and stuff like that around here. Not a lot, but I had a few and like a few little bumps and bits. It looks as if they've been faded out because my skin looks as if it's been cleaned really well. But yeah, I think it's not bad. I can tell that my cheeks, they do look as if the little dark patches has kind of gone a bit more brighter. But yeah, I'm excited to see what else it can do in the next 2 days. So stay tuned guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, day 4. So guys, I just washed my face and you can see my freshly washed face. My skin looks much more clean, bright, and I do still have the texture and the little bumps and stuff like that. I feel like the hyperpigmentation around my mouth has kind of faded a little bit as well. It's kind of glowy as well. So yeah, we've got 1 more day to go. See you guys tomorrow. So guys, today's day 5 and yeah, let's do the mask and we'll compare the results at the end. So guys, I just washed my face and this is the final day. So let me just show you my skin. And this is the final skin. So the difference from day 1 to day 5 isn't huge, but I have to say that my skin feels really soft. Like so soft. And my skin is definitely glowing. I haven't applied a moisturizer yet because I just wanted to like show you guys my freshly washed face just after the mask. But like as you can see, like my face looks very clean. The hyperpigmentation around this bit and this bit and this bit has definitely faded a little bit, I would say. And the tan that I had has also kind of faded away and my skin looks a bit more brighter, clear. Other than that, I just feel like this mask is really nice because it kind of just makes your skin feel so soft and clean. So when you apply your makeup afterwards, it just sits so nicely because it has just been cleaned so well that the makeup can sit on this clean skin really nicely. So I think that is it. So I'll put up pictures of my day 1 to my day 5 so you guys can see for yourself. And yes, I wouldn't recommend anyone to do the mask for a continuous 5 or even 7 days, but definitely do it once or twice a week because as you can see, the difference is not huge, but there is a bit of a difference. So even if you just do it once or twice a week, you're still gonna get the same kind of results that I gained by doing it for like 5 days straight. So yeah, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big like. It would help me a lot, and please subscribe to my channel as well if you still haven't subscribed. And let me know if you guys have any recommendations for me, then I would love to do this as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.